Hello, this is unboxing of gigaware. Obviously you're in this video because you are looking for this product. It's your gigaware sync cable for iPod or your iPhone, retractable. This is how the packaging comes. If you're wondering how does it come, this is how it comes, like this. You want me to read this stuff? Okay, it's PC, Mac, USB, made for iPhone, made for iPod, iPhone. Sync and charges most dockable iPod or iPhone models that have a 30-pin docking connector. Retractable design helps prevent tangles while not in use. So the wires are retractable. Supports USB 2.0 high speed for faster data transfer. Yep, I don't want to read the back. So this comes in the packaging, and let's open it up. Alright, let's just Alright, first thing, get your manual in here, and that's about it. And this is the gigaware retractable thingy. Okay, this okay. I don't want to break it. Alright, so you pull this sucker out, then you what the shit. Alright, I thought it would be more smoother. Oh, this is just fucking frustrating. It sticks. That's hell of annoying. Alright, it's very fucking annoying. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Alright, this is how it goes. And supposed to pull the wire. It's supposed to come out. But it's very annoying. Holy sheesh kebab. You get the freaking idea. You pull it, and then you charge, and then you put the wires back, and it goes back. Damn, this shit's annoying. Instead of rubber here, they should have used some kind of slippier stuff. It's really annoying because it's really sticky. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long. This is how it is, man. Take it or leave it. You see it here. That's all. There it is. Thumb it up.